Right now, our Economy Sentiment API is showing a notable sentiment score of plus 0.63, trending upward with a momentum of plus 0.23. This spike is significant compared to the historical baseline, indicating a shift in sentiment not seen in recent weeks. With 19 semantic clusters highlighting various aspects of economic discourse, you have a rich dataset to work with. You can use this API to assess real-time economic sentiment and adjust your trading strategies accordingly. By integrating this data, you can identify emerging trends and make informed decisions faster than your competitors. For detailed implementation, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Dive into the data and leverage these insights today.